Lighting is one of those things you don't always think about until it's bad. A dim, flickering, or poorly placed light can make work frustrating, tiring, and even unsafe. That's why choosing the right lamp for your workspace really matters. Today, I'm going to help you figure out exactly which Neatfi lamp is the best fit for your needs. Whether you're working at a desk, tackling detailed crafts, or lighting up your garage. We all know how much poor lighting strains our eyes. It kills productivity, distorts color, and just makes everything harder. Neatfi's lamps are built to solve that, with bright, flicker-free light designed for specific tasks. The idea is simple. Use the right light for the right job, and your workspace becomes more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable. Let's start with desk lamps. Neatfi has options for every kind of desk work, from studying to designing. Their CCT adjustable desk lamps are especially flexible. CCT stands for Correlated Color Temperature, and it lets you switch between warm light for relaxing or evening reading, neutral light for everyday tasks, and cool daylight for maximum focus or color, critical work like design. That kind of adjustability is fantastic if you're working long hours or changing tasks throughout the day. If you want something simpler, Neatfi also offers non-CCT desk lamps. These have a single bright, flicker-free setting that's easy to use and budget-friendly. Perfect for students, home offices, or anyone who just needs reliable, no-fuss lighting. Next up, Neatfi's Magnifying Lamps. These are a game changer for detailed work. Imagine trying to solder tiny components, paint miniature figures, do jewelry work, or even professional nail art. Without the right magnification and lighting, it's not just hard, it's nearly impossible to do well. Neatfi's magnifying lamps combine strong, even illumination with a high-quality lens, letting you see every tiny detail without shadows or eye strain. They're designed with long, adjustable arms so you can move the lamp exactly where you need it. If you do any kind of precision work, these lamps are more than a luxury. They're an essential tool. So how do you choose the right Neatfi lamp? 1. For reading, studying, or working long hours at your desk. Go with a Neatfi task lamp. Choose the CCT model if you want full control over your lighting temperature. For a more budget-friendly lamp, go with a non-CCT model. It still gives you that bright, flicker-free lighting and still gives you comfort for your daily tasks. 2. For crafts, electronics, nail art, or anything detailed, pick a magnifying lamp. It saves your eyes and improves precision. 3. For garages, workshops, or big workspaces, the garage lights are your best bet, delivering powerful, even illumination where you need it most. Lighting isn't just a utility, it's a tool that can completely change how you work, how you feel, and what you're able to create. Neatfi has purpose-built, high-quality lighting solutions for every kind of workspace. If you want to upgrade your setup and see what a difference great lighting can make, check out the full Neatfi lineup at neatfi.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which Neatfi lamp you choose for your own workspace. Thanks for watching.